Okay, children. So today let us discuss about the exercise of chapter 5. So first exercise is fill in the blank. We can take the help of from hints also. So let us now start. First question. Dash is an effective way to display data in pictorial form.
Chart.
Chart.
It is
The chart.
chart.
The chart.
Right?
Sir, chart.
Chart. Next. Dash are the bars or slices that show data values. It is data series.
Data series.
Data series.
Data series.
Next,
Data series.
Mute everyone.
to identify the color
Data series.
to data series. It is legend. Next, dash chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods. Bar chart.
Bar.
Next, dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. It is
Value axis.
Value axis. Value axis.
Next, the purpose of grouping worksheet is to ensure common data.
Data formulas formatting effective.
Formulas and formatting effect.
Effect.
Next, we can insert pictures in a worksheet using clip art option.
Clip art.
Okay, keep quiet now. Okay, that's all about fill in the blanks. Next, we have another exercise.
State true or false.
State true or false. First question, a chart is updated automatically with the change in data. It is true.
True.
Next, we cannot modify the chart by changing its colors and patterns. It is false.
False.
X-axis is the horizontal axis. It is true. Next,
True.
the chart area contains the actual chart itself and includes data series, category, and value axis as well. It is false. It is false. It is the definition of plot area, not the chart area. Okay, plot area contains the actual chart itself, not chart area. It is false. Next, you can change the pattern of data series using fill button.
True.
It's true. Next, all the worksheets cannot be deleted in a workbook.
False.
Yes.
False.
True. All the worksheets cannot be deleted in a workbook. You have to leave at least one worksheet. Okay. It's true. So this is the answer of true false. Kindly remember, first question true, second question false, third question true, fourth question false, fifth question true, and sixth question true. Kindly match the question in your book. Don't match the question number. Read the question. In your book, read the question. After reading only the question, you can write the true or false. Maybe your question is shuffled. Your first question may be at the fifth number or last number or sixth number. So kindly match the question by reading. Don't match the number of questions. Okay? Match the question by reading it. And which question is matching, then only you write the true or false correctly. Okay? And if any question is given extra in your book or not matching, then you can send me the pic of that question on my WhatsApp number. I will tell the answer of that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any question which is not matching to my syllabus?
Please mute something.
Okay, quiet now.
Yes, sir.
Quiet, quiet.
Application based questions.
Yes. Next we have application based question. Ritu is a student of class 7. Kindly remember, student, this is the question which you have to read carefully, very carefully, and then only you can give the answer. So first question,
Okay, sir.
Ritu is a student of class 7. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities of India. Suggest her the best suited chart type for her project. So which chart
Command
type you
chart.
suggest?
Sir, command chart.
Column chart.
Column chart.
Column chart.
Column chart.
Sir, column chart. Sir,
Column chart.
column chart.
क्या हुआ?
Hmm?
Pie chart.
Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities of India. Suggest her the best suited chart type for her project.
Pie chart.
Kindly
Pie chart.
keep quiet. Okay, no problem. You can write here column chart only. Okay? Write
Yes,
down
sir.
column chart. Here the software does not accept sometime. I had told yesterday only.
Yes.
Last time only. Sometimes the software does not accept the correct answer. Okay? So kindly fill here column chart only. In your book, you can fill column chart. Next, Tripti has created a chart. She wants to improve the appearance of her chart by changing the background color of its plot area. So which option will you suggest her to perform this task?
Cumulative chart.
Format plot area.
Format plot area. Format plot area. Kindly
It
fill this.
will come in exam.
Plot
Yeah,
area.
all the students, kindly fill this. Format plot area. This is the option. Okay. First
Sir,
answer is
it will
column
come in
chart.
exam.
Second answer is format plot area. Kindly fill this.
Sir, it will come in exam.
Yeah, it is a question. It may come in the exam. Why are you asking like this? If question is there, it may come. It is not 100% sure, but it may come. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question.
Multiple choice questions.
Yes. Multiple choice questions. Kindly listen carefully. Which feature is used to set a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell?
Goal seek.
Goal seek. Goal
Yes.
seek.
Goal seek.
Kshitij
Sir,
Singh.
yep.
Kshitij Singh. Don't write on the screen. Kshitij Singh and Harsh Kushwaha. Garvit Kushwaha also. So first answer is goal seek. Second, name the bars or slices that represent the data values on the chart. It is
Data series.
Data
series.
Data series.
Quiet now.
Data series.
Which chart type displays data in the form of a circle? It is
Pie
chart.
chart.
Pie chart.
Yeah, quiet. Next,
Pie.
which function key is used to insert a chart instantly in a worksheet?
F11.
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 Next, which key is used to group multiple worksheets? It is shift key.
Shift key.
Yeah,
Shift key.
Shift
key.
Now keep quiet. Next, name the special window that displays data when you insert a chart. It is data sheet.
Data series.
First option, data sheet.
Data sheet.
Yes.
Database.
Have you all done correctly?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
Yes,
now
sir.
answer is goal seek. Second answer is data series. Third answer is pie chart. Fourth answer is F11 key. Fifth answer is shift key. And sixth answer is data sheet. These are the answers of your questions given here. Okay. Now
Yes,
next
sir.
we have
The girl with Kushwa is copying you.
Okay, quiet. Let me erase this, then I proceed further. Okay. So your all the exercises finished. That is fill in the blanks, true, false, application based question and multiple choice question. Now we have next.
Answer the following.
See students, here the questions are given. I am going to discuss this question. I will tell in short the answers I will tell, but that you have to find the entire answer, correct answer, proper answer from the book and then write in your copy. Okay. Here I am telling in a short
Yes,
way.
sir.
Here I am telling in a short way so that you may not face any problem. So kindly listen carefully and then you can understand. Okay, first question, what is a chart? So it has very simple answer. Chart is a pictorial representation of data or information. Chart is a pictorial or graphical representation of data or information. Okay,
So repeat once again.
chart is a pictorial or graphical representation of information. Chart is a pictorial or graphical representation of data or information. Data or information. Next, how a column chart is different from a bar chart. How? What will you tell? So you find this answer in your book, but I am telling in a short way. Okay, here I am telling in a short way. But the proper answer you write from the book. Read from the book and write proper answer. Okay. First, second question: how a column chart is different from a bar chart? Okay. So in column chart and bar chart both are shown with the bars or slices. But in column chart, the bars are vertical. Vertical means they are straight vertical. And in column chart, the values are shown along the y-axis. And the categories are shown along the x-axis. But in bar chart displays the data in the horizontal bars, in the form of horizontal bars. Bar chart displays the data in the form of horizontal bars. Other difference, bar chart is just opposite. Just opposite means it shows the value axis as horizontal on the x-axis. Value is shown on x-axis and the category is shown on y-axis. Okay. Once again I tell, column chart displays the data vertically. First difference I am telling, column chart displays the data vertically. Bar chart displays the data horizontally. Second difference, column chart has the value axis on x-axis. Column chart shows the value on x-axis. And bar chart shows the value on y-axis. Remember this. Sorry, it is wrong. Column chart shows the value on y-axis and bar chart shows the value on x-axis. This is the answer. Next, how will you group worksheet? So it is very easy to group the worksheet. First, select sheet number 1. Press and hold shift key. Then select the sheet number 3.
Sir,
Okay?
third answer.
Third answer just now I told difference between bar chart and column chart. Oh, sorry. Yeah, third answer. What is the difference between chart area and plot area? So chart area is the area of the entire chart, whole chart, in which the category name, value axis, legend, all things come inside the chart area. Okay, the entire area of the chart. Chart area is the entire area of the chart, in which chart title, category, axis, value axis, all things are there. But plot area is the actual chart area. Plot area is the actual chart area. Okay, have you understood? Next, how will you group worksheet?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here let me write the answer. I am writing, but you don't kindly you write proper answer from the book. What is a chart? So here you can say chart is a graphical representation of information. Okay, very short answer. Rest you can write more things about this from your book. How is a column chart different from bar chart? In column chart, values are plotted along y-axis, but in bar chart, okay, see, but in bar chart, it is just opposite. It is just opposite. Next, what is the difference between chart area and plot area? Chart area includes entire area of a chart having title, category axis, and value axis. But plot area is the actual chart area. Plot area is the actual chart area. This is the answer. Next, how will you group worksheet? We can group worksheet by pressing and holding shift key and then selecting sheet number 3. Okay, what do you understand by the term data consolidation? Data consolidation means to join or combine data of different worksheets. To join or combine data of different worksheet into one worksheet is called data consolidation. Okay, children, so these are the answers of these questions. Okay, this is the
Sir,
yes.
sir, can you tell fourth answer once again?
Yes, sir.
How will you group
Yes,
worksheet?
sir.
So we can group worksheet by pressing and holding shift key and then selecting the sheet number 3 or sheet number 4, any sheet number you can write. We can group the worksheet by pressing and holding shift key and then selecting sheet number 3 or 4. Okay.
Sir, please repeat the answer of second.
Fill in the blanks.
Which answer?
Straight true or
Second.
multiple. Answer the following.
Which one?
Sir, second.
Second. How a column chart is different from a bar chart? See.
Yes, sir.
Now it is over. Okay.